So to open my old project, I'm going to go to my stuff and I'm going to open one of the projects that I used before, which is this, for example. Press C inside, and if you remember, we created the character, which is the avatar that we called, and we made different costumes. We wanted to eventually animate it. So if you see, there's a very slight change in each. Okay, so I'm gonna start by the code. You need to grab an event block. You are using the iPads sometimes, so it is better to use a prompt that works with iPads too. So when this sprite clicked, so when I click on the sprite, what's gonna happen? So I'm gonna use a loop. So from control, you can grab a loop like this one, for example, and you can choose, for example, 5 or so. And then you wanna use the block that says next costume. But if you press it, it's gonna be very fast. So this doesn't work, you need to press on it. It's very fast. You need to use another control block that says wait. And you wanna make sure that it's 0.3, for example. Test it. I think it's good now. You can also increase or decrease the number based on your need. If you notice, the last part is not exactly how it started. So every time it's gonna end in a different position. So how do I reset it? I need to have a different key for that. And because we're using iPads, sometimes you need to press something on the screen. So it is better that we add a button from here. Also, when I click on the sprite, this time I want to broadcast a message. And we're gonna go right here. This sprite is gonna receive message 1. So now, when I test my screen, and I'm gonna press right here, of course, if you wanna add more buttons, you can do so, and I'm gonna show you some examples.